Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, and this is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. So what do we have going on in this tape today? Obviously, we still have overseas. That's what's affecting our tape. That's, I think, in my opinion, either what's going to keep bringing us down or prevent us from really snapping back the way I believe we feel like we should be doing. We're just not there yet. A few things we have in our corner also. It's end of quarter, which means there could be some markups. The funds could start, showing what needs to be on the books. We have the next few days for that to happen. Obviously, with T+3, it should have happened yesterday. Didn't really participate. We'll have to wait and see. Right now, we're not really getting a whole lot of girth in the upside, and really the downside. Obviously, it's happening easier. So right now, the easy money still seems like it's quickly to the short side, but you got to take your trade. I'm personally not putting my money, haven't really been pressing the short side at all. I'm waiting for the opportunities. The stuff that I've been looking at is the strong stocks that had leadership the last few months that are now pulling back either to the 21-day or to the 50-day. It sounds like a broken record, but that's what you have to do, and that's where you have to look. SXCI was one of them that I've been looking at. Yesterday, Yesterday, it actually bounced right off its, or Thursday, I'm sorry, Tuesday it bounced off its 50-day, or Monday it bounced off its 50-day, and it regained its 20-day yesterday. So that's something, I'm going to be looking for another one day move maybe. I think that's where we're at. We're at either it's a very short-term tape or it's a 1.5 day type of move. I don't think we're getting these 3-4 days directional. It's not happening right now, and that's where we're at in this tape, which means you should just take a step back. If you're certainly trying to put positions on or put a portfolio on, it's not the time, it's not the place. I think as we get into earnings season the next few weeks, that will be the time where you'll see a very directional move, whether it's to the upside or downside. In my opinion, it'll probably still be, a little bit of volatility, but I think you're going to have the strong will survive as earnings normally come to fruition. Few ideas that I'm looking at I think should be on the radar. NFLX above 69.50, and you can see I have the chart up here. Here's a daily chart, and it doesn't look like a whole lot, but it's right now in a very tight Bollinger Band, and I think above 69.50 to 70 will trigger along probably around the 50-day, which is around 74.72. Obviously, it's a very shortable stock. Highly shortable, lots of shorts in there, and we just have to really wait and see what is happening. Another one that had some movement yesterday, Shield, up a little bit this morning, something to keep on the radar. Two other plays that I'm looking at, Visa, MasterCard, I believe need more time on a long side before they're ready to go up, but they look good. Amazon also showed its face above the 225 level. When above there, it should hover for a day or two and probably resume its uptrend, which it seems like it's ready. It's on that move. Hence why I keep looking at ideas, 3, 4, 5 days down on some of these best-in-breed stocks. I'm looking at that as an opportunity, not to short. I have already lightened up. I really haven't been involved on the downside action, thank goodness. But I'm just waiting for that opportunity to pounce on the upside, because I think that's where the easier money will come from, at least at this point in time. And then on the downside, I think, Google doesn't look good on the technical chart, but I wouldn't be shorting it at 560. If you're looking to short it when it rallies up, it's $5 to $7, $5.75, $5.80. That's the place to get involved in on the short opportunities. And then we obviously two sectors that I think are acting very strong, and obviously had a few day moves. Ag sector, you can look at CF, MOS, AGU, best in breed, pot, certainly. MOS just hit its 200-day yesterday, so it might have a little resistance, but they look good technically. And then Len came out with earnings today, and it looks pretty good. And it looks like it's, signaling another move. If it can hold this gap up, signaling another long-term move to the upside. But again, we're not in that swing mode, so we'll have to wait and see how we look. I'm still in, aggressiveness, a tier 3, three of 10, which means I'm really just sitting on the sidelines waiting for some opportunity as it presents itself. And every day it is presenting itself. I think you just have to be very patient. So good luck today. and please listen to VTF. Talk to you soon.